Hello, welcome back to Uncle Buck's Garage. Today, there's something special just happened. I got a new truck. And what this is a 2002 Z71, and she is as sweet as they come. I bought this from a friend of mine, been a dear, dear friend since grade school. And the one thing about this friend that you know is that everything that he has is well maintained. Okay, so this truck was a no-brainer for me. It's a 2002 LS 5.3 liter Z71, four-wheel drive works. Every button and whistle on it works. It's got its little things, but nothing that isn't basically cosmetic. Like the brush guard needs a new paint job. And of course, it has my most unfavorite wheels in the whole world. I hate those. All right. So we might have to find something new there, but Junior has already spotted this. Junior heard that I bought this from who he calls Uncle Dave. And my kids and his kids grew up together, and he said, "You got Uncle Dave's truck?" He says, "I'll sell mine. I want that one." He's getting out of the Navy in the spring, and he's looking for a new truck. And so he said, "Dad, I want it." I said, "No, it's mine." Okay, I'll get you in close here. Now, of course, it's a 2002 model, so but like I said, it just needs a little TLC. She's got everything where you want it. Okay, it's got basically brand new tires on it, running boards. Everything works. Even the rear mirrors, they move on their own. It's got the wind deflectors already on it. Tint job. It's a third door. Toolbox. Running boards. Everything makes it look right. The only problem this truck has is right here. And that's like a factory defect that me and probably Junior, when he comes in a month, are going to take this all apart. We'll DA everything down. We'll prime it. We'll seal it. We'll make everything work. Now, the underside, I mean, come on, guys. This is a 21-year-old truck. She's got on her 21st birthday, and she is right as rain. That frame is solid. The frame is solid. Needs a little touch up. There's no rust in this whole truck except for a little bit of surface stuff right here. That's it. Never been hit. Now, she does have 275,000 miles on her, but and she still got the spare sitting underneath. Okay. Drop hitch. Every light, every button, every bell, every whistle on this truck works. And this is how I got it. And she runs good. The air conditioning works. She does have 274,000 miles on them. Doesn't need a thing besides just a little TLC, because this was David's everyday work truck, pulling trailer. It is four-wheel drive, and it does work, but she is going to be one hell of a good shop truck, unless Junior talks me out of it. All right. As you can see, 274, 578. That's what she's got on her. Now, there is basically nothing wrong with this truck. Now, she's got 275,000 miles on, but David, being David, he takes care of her. Everything works. Everything. The four-wheel drive, high, low, two low, everything works. Cargo lamps, fog lamps, everything works. Radio works, air conditioner works, everything is in place, and an ashtray that's never had an ash in it. Now, she's got her little wear and tear, but she's got cup holders. David loves WeatherTech, and he's had WeatherTech all over everything. It's the third door, but really, it's in dynamite shape again. Floor mats, clean. She's as good as they come. Headliner is in great shape. Visors. There is nothing wrong with this truck. I mean, even the inside lights still shine. Dome light works. Everything on this truck works. And she just needs a little cleaning. David didn't keep it dirty, but this was his everyday. And she just needs a little TLC. That's it. We'll just take the soap and water to it, give her a bath, and she even smells good. It even smells good, guys. So, never been smoked in. Right as rain. So, get you a shot up underneath here. Now, come on. New shocks, brake lines, frame is good, never been hit. Tires, awesome. Running boards, all the trim. The only thing that's missing is that these badges on both sides are gone. They fell off. David said he don't know where they went, but they just fell off. All the glass is good. Everything works. So, oh, he did warn me one more thing, that if you sit on this, it'll jam and it won't. You have to jury rig it open. But other than that, nothing. The tailgate works. There's no damage. Never been wrecked. He bought it secondhand 2004. Had it the whole time. I'll get you in here to the engine bay. Now, if you know my friend, you know he doesn't change anything. He goes back stock. He does not mess with, cut up, jury rig, everything. It's got a new water pump, got a new alternator, got a good battery in it. It's got the windshield wipers work, the brakes work. She's Vortec 5.3 liter. You know, no air box, no jacking with it. It does have a K&N filter in it, which makes it run a little better. It does run very well. It's smooth. It tracks good. You can let go of the steering wheel going down the highway. She does not have any broken bolts on the manifolds. She does have new plugs in her, or less than a year plugs, so you know they're good. So the biggies, the water pump, the alternator, I think he did a mass air sensor or one of the air sensors. He did do that. Four-wheel drive works. Nothing doesn't work. Air conditioner blows cold air. The only thing he said that doesn't work is that's kind of intermittent. Now, come on, guys. This thing is 21 years old, 275,000 miles, and about the only thing David could tell me, which he tells me everything, that he thinks the ball inside the light underneath the hood is corroded. That's why it's not turning on. Only problem with the truck. So, now that you've seen it, and you know what we're dealing with, you guys got to tell me, what do you want me to do with this? What should we do? I want you to put suggestions down the bottom. I want you to tell me what would be the best thing to do. I don't really want to jack this up. So, but I do want your opinion, because I mean, come on, guys. You don't come across a deal like this very often in your life. And I had to jump on it. Couldn't really afford it, but I jumped on it, because you'll never come across one like this one again. So you tell me, what should I do with this? I want your comments down below. I want questions. I want ideas. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that like button. Hit that bell. Tell your friends. Comment down below. Check out Uncle Buck's stuff. Buy a little merch. Help me pay for some of this stuff. I have all these big plans that I don't have the money to do anything with. Y'all have a great day, because great day today could mean a super badass find in the morning. Y'all be good.